ka-soldering, so for today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay vacuum pen HandyVac Kit ESD. So guys, ito siya. Yan ang ating HandyVac. So, natin para makita nyo siya ng actual na malapitan. So guys, may nakalagay siya na mismong HandyVac USA ESD safe. So guys, ito yung mga kasama niya. Meron siyang small, medium, and large. So guys, ito yung dalawang small. Ito munang isa. So, focus natin. Siya focus. Yan guys. Yan ang ating small. Ito pa yung isang small. Guys, then meron ding medium, itong medium, yan ang medium niya guys. Medium, and then meron din siyang large kasama. So, yan ang kanyang large. So what is the use of HandyVac Kit ESD? A HandyVac Kit ESD is a small handheld vacuum tool designed for electronics work, especially where ESD electrostatic discharge protection is important. Main uses. Number 1. Cleaning electronic components. Remove dust, solder debris, and small particles from PCBs printed circuit boards. Number 2. Ayusin lang natin. Picking up small parts. Can lift tiny components such as IC chips, resistors, capacitors, screws. Number 3. ESD safe handling. The tool is ESD safe, meaning it prevents static electricity buildup that could damage sensitive electronic parts like microchips, MOSFETs, integrated circuits. Number 4. Maintenance in electronic labs. Used in electronics repair shops, semiconductor manufacturing, clean workstation, computer repair. Why ESD protection matters? Static electricity from your body can destroy delicate components. The ESD HandyVac Kit is made from conductive or static dissipative material, so it safely drains static charges. Typical kit contents. Most kits include handheld vacuum pump, different suction tips, ESD safe tubing, small filters. Simple explanation. A HandyVac Kit ESD is a tool used to safely clean and handle small electronic components without damaging them with static electricity. So guys, yan ang ating HandyVac Kit ESD. Guys, napakita natin yung mga kasama niyan. So guys, ayun lang. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account. Thank you.